Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a guide on how you can remove only part of video in CapCut. So if you have a long video and you want to remove only certain parts of the video, you can follow my steps right here. So let's just first launch the CapCut app. Okay, let's skip this ad. Okay, so after this you can just open the video that you want to edit. You can tap on the new projects and select the videos. Okay, so for example, here I'm going to choose this videos right here. You can tap on add. Okay, so I got this 20 seconds video, but if you get a longer video, you can also use this trick. So what you need to do here is just choose to where you want to split you want to remove the part of the video. You can go to where you want to start. For example, I'm going to start in here. Now you can just tap on the video here on the timeline. Okay, and after that you can hit on split, and then the next thing that you do is go to where you want to remove the end of the remove. So for example, I'm going to end it in here. Then you can tap on split again, and as you guys can see here, this clips right here has become separated just like this. Then you can just choose the videos that you want to remove. For example, you want to remove the center in here. You can click on a clip and tap on delete, and it will be removed. Only that part that will be removed. Or maybe you want to remove the other one. You can click on this and then click on delete. Or you can also remove more than one part of the video. Let's say I want to delete this one, and then I'm going to delete the other part. You can hit on split again and again, split to where you want to, and I'm going to click on split again, and here you can click on the one that you want to delete and tap on delete button. Okay, so that's how you can remove parts of video in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!